Ang mga karniro o nangaon. Magmawing na sad sila. Cool there, Jess. Does it really eat bread? Look at that. Oh. Oh. To that. Give me some, Jess. Ooh, wow. Really have a good meat. It's pregnant di ay. Puntis. Kataba na kuha oy. Wala ako nang gikuanan. Ako nagpakaon ako gitagaan ko ni Jess. Dida. Ay.
Mama ba?
Ka-cute. Ma, taga si mama. Mama B. Mama Jess. Mao, dali ah. Ay pagkadlok. Mahadlok na sa imo haron.
Yakap na. Wala pa kaon.
Di ka ba no? Ay hadlok ka ma. Ay hadlok ka. Edi. Nanganad.
Really?
Iya.
Pakaon mo ba? Ikaw pakaon. Anasim ko ito oh.
Oh, there they are. They're coming. Oh. Ay, buntis da ini. Asa da yung baby da? There's a baby ba ya? Rara sent me the last time. There was a newborn sheep. Oh, they're going. The dako here.
Oh, there's Jamar. Jamar. Come on, Jamar.
Yee!
Jamar lang.
Ada sila mga karniro. Oh. Okay, mga karni.
Pat it,
Galing
Mum.
mga karni.
Ma, scratch.
Ano ba oh?
Scratch your back, oh.
Si baby. Sino uy, pinom na ng baso.
Is it too big?
Katambok. Tambok kaayo.
Kapag kayo gilikod. Sakay dayo naman, sakay.
Ngayon, so, sakayan pag yun ng sagarang kita sa buyag. Ay, siya kang kung ano,
Kamalat.
Diyos manday ni.
Kamalat, come on.
Lang kay gnaong tong isa
Kamalat.
Gan. Tara, oh. The only different color. The brown one.
Dili man na sila gabi yo.
Hmm?
Tayo kasi mga bugod-bugod na kain.
Oh. She doesn't want water. She doesn't want it.
Ah,
Only the bread for me.
grass. I need the bread.
Only the bread, not the
I
water.
think they get enough water from the grass.
Yeah, maybe. Or they should have the spot where they always go to drink water.
No water up here.
Yeah. But on the other sides of that,
Yeah, it's down the bottom.
yeah, down the
Big
bottom,
tree
there
takes
is a
off
water.
the plug. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. They didn't want it.
Yeah, they do.
Kasi we don't pluck lagi anymore lagi. We're not
Oh.
Probably don't want it. Probably yeah, they go through.
Oh, they just go through to the pinch.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. This is easily feed. Yeah, what about the pregnant one? For sure, she cannot able to feed all.